Here's a recent exterior renovation completed by Magnum Construction. This home had damaged siding, deteriorated trim, and hidden structural issues that needed to be addressed. Our first step was removing the existing vinyl siding and the old worn-out lap siding that had reached the end of its life. Once the siding was removed, we discovered rotted sheathing and insulation that had deteriorated behind the walls. Our team replaced the damaged framing, installed new sheathing, and added fresh insulation to restore the structure and improve energy efficiency. With the structure repaired, we installed durable fiber cement lap siding to provide long-lasting protection and a clean, updated appearance. We also replaced the exterior trim around the siding and windows to ensure a properly sealed and finished exterior. A large portion of the soffit and fascia was replaced as well, improving ventilation and protecting the roofline. To improve water management, we removed and installed new gutters, downspouts, and gutter guards. While working on the home, we also repaired one square of roofing and installed drip edge to bring the roof up to current building code. To complete the project, we professionally painted the new siding, trim, and soffit, giving the home a fresh and uniform finish. The end result is a stronger, more weather-resistant exterior with a completely refreshed look. Magnum Construction, LLC. Roofing, siding, and exterior restoration you can trust.